Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with Microsoft Store apps not downloading, installing, or updating properly. So this common issue can be caused by various factors from connectivity problems to system errors. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first method that we're going to do is using the command prompt. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard, and then pop-ups this run. So here in box, then you need to type this command keyword wsreset.exe. So just type this command keyword wsreset.exe, that is one word, and then click OK. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. So that's why we will do this WS reset commands that Microsoft Store back to default settings and to fix the error. Alright, so once done here at Microsoft Store, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to repair and reset the Microsoft Store. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type Microsoft Store, and then you need to right click and select app settings. So here at app settings, and then scroll down, and then you need to find this reset. Alright, so if this app isn't working right, and then we can try to repair it. And then you need to tap repair and wait to complete the repair process. And repair process complete. But if still the error still persists, then you need now to reset. So you need to tap this reset, and this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details, and then tap reset and wait to complete the reset process. Alright, so reset procedures is totally complete, and then we need to close, and then here at the start menu, and then we need to restart. Alright, so click restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Microsoft Store apps not downloading, installing, or updating. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.